summarize spoken text. Yeah. Okay. So today's topic is, what is this?
Universe science.
Yes, universe and science. Okay, the first one is answer short question. Please listen to the question and repeat the question first. Like repeat sentence, okay?
What includes everything in the world, such as stars and planets?
Could you repeat the question? Repeat the question.
Repeat sentence.
Repeat the question. Question. Listen and repeat.
Okay.
Okay. Listen and repeat.
What includes everything in the world, such as stars and planets?
What is include space in a planet?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
What include
One more time.
What includes everything in the world, such as stars and planets?
what is include such a thing, such a things in the planet?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. What is the answer?
Us.
Think about today's topic.
The universe and
Okay. Yeah, let's have a look of the answer.
What includes everything in the world, such as stars and planets?
stars and planet.
Yes, such as stars and planets. Okay, please repeat after me. Repeat after me. What includes everything in the world?
What includes everything in the world?
Such as stars and planets.
Such as stars and planets. あ、そっか。
Uh-huh. So the answer is?
Everything in the world, such as stars and planets.
The answer is?
Universe.
The universe. Yes, the answer is the
What
universe.
includes everything in the world, such as stars and planets?
Universe.
Universe.
Yes. So this is the ASQ question. It will be very simple. Yeah. Okay, cool. And so when we talk about universe, there is prefix called cosmo. Cosmo is a Latin word, I think. Cosmo means order and the world. Okay. And when we talk about the universe, another word is the cosmos. Have you heard the cosmos?
Yeah.
The flower, right? The flower, yeah.
Yeah.
I think maybe the shape, maybe the shape looks the same. So it's the universe means cosmos means the universe. Could you read this sentence?
The universe considered as a system with an order and pattern.
Yes, and pattern. Yeah, this is pattern.
Pattern.
Very good. So when we talk about the system, we say the cosmos. Repeat after me, the cosmos.
The cosmos.
Yes, very good. And another word that starts with cosmo is cosmopolitan. Have you heard this word, cosmopolitan? It's a cocktail's name. No? Okay.
No.
Please read this sentence containing
of people and things from many different parts of the world. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan.
Yes, and
New York is a highly cosmopolitan city.
Yes, yeah. So when we talk about the world, people from all over the world, we use cosmo. And also Tokyo. Tokyo is a highly cosmopolitan city.
Mhm.
Or Auckland. Auckland, could you make a sentence? Auckland?
Auckland is a highly cosmopolitan city.
Yes, very good. Okay. So please remember these words. And then, could you read here?
The study of the nature and origin of the universe.
Yes. So when we talk about the study, it's called
Cosmology.
mology.
Cosmology.
Ology, yes. Yeah. So when we talk about study, there are several words ending with blah blah logy. Okay. Can you think of any subjects, any study?
Biology.
Biology, yes, biology, right? Biology. Anything else?
Psychology.
Yes, psychology and
Cosmology.
yes, cosmology. Yeah. So this is the study name. Okay, be careful with the pronunciation.
Mm.
Okay, repeat after me. Biology,
Biology.
psychology,
Psychology.
and cosmology.
Cosmology.
Yes. Could you please type these three words into the chat now? I will delete it because of the spelling. I want to check your spelling.
Biology. Cosmology.
Psychology.
Psychology.
Mhm.
Psychology.
Ha ha ha. That's the difficult part.
Aiko.
Could you type it one more time? Okay. Type it three times until you remember. Psi. So the first one is accurate. And because there is a S sound, right? So SY is the psi.
Ah,
And co, like psychology, yeah. Could you type it three times? Three times?
everything.
Just psychology. Don't look at the screen. Don't look at your previous screen, just by memory. Psychology. Okay. And one more time. Three. Yeah, very good. The last
間違って
time. Mhm. Psychology, very good. And ecology. Could you type ecology?
Ecology.
Mhm.
Ecology. Psychology.
What is ecology? Ecology.
Ecology.
Ecosystem. Yeah, ecology. Okay, great. So please remember these words, especially psychology, the spelling, for WFD and SST. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Also, so when we talk about the universe, there is a theory called the Big Bang theory. Could you read this one?
The Big Bang Theory.
Yes, the Big Bang Theory. Do you know what is it? So it talks about the start of the universe. Okay, a lot of scientists think that the universe started with a Big Bang, like a big explosion. Okay, and now this is a WFD question. Okay, again, it's about theories about science. Okay, please listen and repeat first. Oh, sorry, take notes and listen and repeat. Okay, and then type it out.
The advanced course requires a basic knowledge of economic theory.
One more time, please.
The advanced course requires a basic knowledge of economic theory.
The advance at the economic theory.
Okay, one more time, and then please type it out.
The advanced course requires a basic knowledge of economic theory.
Okay, all right, let's have a look. Could you read this sentence?
The advanced courses require the basic knowledge of economic theory.
The advanced course, not courses. Okay, the advanced course. Okay, repeat after me. The advanced course
The advanced course
requires a basic knowledge
requires a basic knowledge
of economic theory.
of economic theory.
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 Very good. What is theory?
論述、論文。
Yes. Yes, very good. This is a very popular word, okay? So you need to remember this. Let's listen and repeat one more time. And please type the accurate one.
The advanced course requires a basic knowledge of economic theory.
course.
あ、間違え、忘れた。
And please type the capital, the first letter.
OK。
And also period. Requires a basic knowledge of economic theory. Requires a. So be careful. And while you're typing, I think it's better if you can pronounce as you type.
The advanced requires the
The advanced course requires a basic knowledge of economic theory.
advanced. The advanced. あ、間違えた。
It's okay. Yeah, continue. The advanced.
The advanced course requires a basic of economic theory.
The advanced course requires a basic knowledge of economic theory. Very good. Okay. Please repeat after me.
The advanced.
Repeat after me. After me. Okay. The advanced course.
The advanced course
requires a basic knowledge.
Requires a basic knowledge
Of economic theory.
of economic theory.
Very good. The advanced course.
The advanced course
requires a basic knowledge.
Requires a basic knowledge
Of economic theory.
of economic theory.
Yes, for WFD, because you don't need to remember the whole sentence at one time, because you can take notes and you can type. So when you practice WFD, always cut into groups, so it's easier to remember. Okay. So this is the S. Okay, this is the V, and the SV. Oh yeah, requires a basic knowledge of economic theory. Okay.
Okay.
Let's repeat one more time. The advanced course requires.
The advanced course requires
a basic knowledge of economic theory.
A basic knowledge of economic theory.
Very good. Yes. And when you read, also follow the rhythm, not just the plain. The advanced course requires a basic, not like this. The advanced course requires a basic knowledge of economic theory. So try to follow the flow. Okay, very good. And next one, WFD again. Listen and repeat. Take notes.
Physics is the key to understanding the world and the universe. Physics is the key to understanding the world and the universe.
Okay. Could you please repeat?
Physics is understanding and the universe.
Oh, okay, very close. One more time.
Physics is the key to understanding the world and the universe.
Physics and the key understanding and the universe.
Very close. Yes, almost there.
Physics is the key to understanding the world and the universe.
Physics is the key to understanding the world and the universe. Physics, universe.
Okay. Please repeat after me. Physics.
Physics,
What is physics?
体。
Nope. Physics.
し、
Okay. So we are doing all the subjects like biology, chemistry, mathematics.
物理学。
Yes, physics.
Physics is the key to understanding the world and the universe.
It's not physics, it's physics. So when we talk about the subjects, it also always have the F. It's like mathematics and physics. Physics, physics,
Physics.
physics, physics. And repeat after me. Physics is the key.
Physics is the key.
Actually, here it's understanding. So it's not to understand, it's not to do, it's key to something. Physics is the key to something. To what? To understanding the world and the universe. Okay. So remember, repeat after me. Physics is the key to
Physics is the key to.
physics. Physics is the key to.
Physics is the key to.
One more time.
Physics.
Is the key to.
Physics is the key to.
Understanding the world.
Understanding the world.
And the universe.
And the universe.
Very good. Okay. Physics is the key to.
Physics is the key to.
Understanding the world and the universe.
Understanding the world and the universe.
Very good. Okay. The whole sentence. Physics is the key to understanding.
Physics is the key to understanding.
The world and the universe.
The world and the universe.
Yes. Okay. Please look at these 4 words and we're gonna type it by memory. Okay. So now you can remember and then we're gonna have a test. You need to remember all of these words. It's for WFD.
Physics.
Let me know when you're ready. Ready? Okay. Please type out biology. And physics. And physics, mathematics. mathematics, and chemistry. And psychology. And physics. Psi is different. Psychology is different. The S sound, psychology. This is phycology. Psychology. Please check your notes. No. Have you taken the accurate notes?
No. Okay, okay.
Psychology.
Ah.間違ってる.
Yeah, but almost there. Okay. Physics. Physics. Very good. And mathematics. Mathematics. Yes. So it's very confusing because it's not a regular spelling. So please really take care of these words, review them, and make sure you can write it accurately. Okay. All right. Very good. Now, when we talk about, could you read over here?
You say that an event will happen in the future.
Yes, we use the word
predict.
Predict, yes, predict. Or
prediction.
Yes, prediction. So normally when we talk about science, we use predict, and then we observe and explain. Yes, and when we talk about the weather, we usually use prediction. Okay, for example, we predict
future events, earthquake, weather.
Earthquake. Yes, what is earthquake?
地震.
Yes, earthquake and weather. Okay, great. Now we're going to do one of the SST for listening and take notes. So when we are studying SST, I think I've told you before to check the picture first. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to listen. So let's check the picture first, okay? Could you read over here?
Big Bang.
Yes. When did Big Bang happen?
13.8 billion years.
Yes. How many years is billion?
1000万年。
10億。
10億。
10億。ってことは、
10億。
138億年前ですね。138億。はい。And in the past, so there is a past and present. It's different. In the past, could you read here?
Scientist. The Big Bang happened 10 to 20 billion years ago.
It's about that period, okay? But now,
The universe
Mhm.
started from the Big Bang
Mhm.
13.8 billion years ago.
Very good. And the universe is
The universe is older than the oldest star.
oldest star. Mhm.
How the stars work, the laws of physics.
What is the laws of physics?
物理学の法律
So it's weird if you say law, but law has many meanings. Actually, here it means the rule.
法則
Yes. Mhm. Okay, so please remember this this four words. Remember as a set together. Okay, write it down. The laws of physics. It will be used quite often for SST. Repeat after me. The laws of physics.
The laws of physics.
Yeah, could you write it down as the set together? Write down this part. The laws of physics.
The laws of physics.
Mhm. Laws of physics. Okay. Cool. Very good. And when we talk about this part,
How the universe began.
it's a question. What
will happen in the future?
Yeah. So this is a very difficult topic. So you'll be like, what is it? But just know it's about the Big Bang and the stars. Okay, Big Bang and the universe. So this is the topic. And now we are going to listen to the audio. Please take notes as much as possible, and then send me your notes later. Okay, send a photo of that.
One of the most amazing things that's happened, even in my lifetime, is the prediction of cosmology. When I started out 40 odd years ago, we thought we knew that the universe began with a Big Bang. Some people doubted even then. We thought the universe was about 10 or 20 billion years old. But now, for really very sound scientific reasons, we can say that the universe did start with a Big Bang, and it's 13.8 billion years old. So it's not 14, it's not 13, because a decimal point in there. And that's a stunning achievement to know that. And we also know that the laws of physics that apply to tiny particles inside atoms also explain what happened with the Big Bang. You can't have one without the other. A very neat example of this is that when you apply nuclear physics, that kind of physics to understand how stars works, you find out that the oldest stars in the universe are about 13 billion years old. So the universe is just a little bit older than the stars. Fantastic. Even if we had done it and counted in the other way around and said that the stars were older than the universe, we would say silence we're in deep trouble. But it's not. Everything fits together, and we know how the universe began. We got to know how the way it is. The future, that I'll suspect, we don't know quite well what's going. But we get some idea, which are as good as those ideas we had 40 years ago about how the Big Bang happened.
Let's listen one more time. And this time, try to find these sentences, try to focus and understand these parts, because those are the main points.
One of the most amazing things that's happened, even in my lifetime, is the prediction of cosmology. When I started out 40 odd years ago, we thought we knew that the universe began with a Big Bang. Some people doubted even then. We thought the universe was about 10 or 20 billion years old. But now, for really very sound scientific reasons, we can say that the universe did start with a Big Bang, and it's 13.8 billion years old. So it's not 14, it's not 13, because a decimal point in there. And that's a stunning achievement to know that. And we also know that the laws of physics that apply to tiny particles inside atoms also explain what happened with the Big Bang. You can't have one without the other. A very neat example of this is that when you apply nuclear physics, that kind of physics to understand how stars works, you find out that the oldest stars in the universe are about 13 billion years old. So the universe is just a little bit older than the stars. Fantastic. Even if we had done it and counted in the other way around and said that the stars were older than the universe, we would say silence we're in deep trouble. But it's not. Everything fits together, and we know how the universe began. We got to know how the way it is. The future, that I'll suspect, we don't know quite well what's going. But we get some idea, which are as good as those ideas we had 40 years ago about how the Big Bang happened.
Could you please take a photo of your notes and send it to me? Oh, very good, very good. Okay, could you please explain your notes to me? This is like a retail lecture. Like the lecture is about?
The lecture is about Big Bang.
Mhm.
According to the lecture, it is known that one of the predict 40 million years ago university
University or universe?
universe
Universe. Be careful. Okay, this is very important. Repeat after me. Universe.
universe
Universe.
universe
Yeah. It's not university. Okay, universe.
universe 10 billion years ago starting we also physics according the speaker mentioned many details
Very
include
good.
um, that we also physics happen Big Bang.
Uh-huh.
When your start works, it is also known that future suspect we don't know.
Very good.
In addition, the speaker mentioned about how about Big Bang. In
Yes, yes.
conclusion, this lecture is very useful.
Yes, yes. Very good. It's just that the second time you heard cosmology, but you didn't say that. You wrote down cosmology. Yeah, so don't worry, but very, very good in general, because this is a very difficult one, and I can see your template for retail lecture is very good. A lot of practice. And no panic. Okay, so we will check the hold on. Sample answer first, okay? Sample answer. Please read it with a reason, okay? Like the lecture talks about the prediction of cosmology. So try to use this as a read aloud practice.
This lecture talks about the prediction of cosmology.
Very
There
good.
are very sound scientific reasons to believe that the universe did start with a Big Bang and it's 13.8 billion years old. The laws of physics also explain what happened in the Big Bang, and the universe is older than the stars. We know how the universe began, but we don't know what will happen in the future.
Very good. I think your read aloud RA improved a lot. This way is so much better. Okay. You need to have the stop.
Mm.
Okay, so let's check the meaning now. All right, could you translate each sentence
Mhm.
in an easy
This
way, in a just summarized way? Yeah.
コスモロジー、宇宙の予測について話します。
Mm-hmm.
There are very sound scientific reasons. 科学の理由があります。
Mm-hmm.
Feel that the universe did start with a big bang. Big Bang が始まっ、宇宙が始まった理由、理由がた、理由がたくさんあります。ビッグバン。
宇宙はビッグバンで始まったと
宇宙
いうこと、ということを信じる理由
信
が、
じる理由
そう、科学
があります。
的な証拠があります。科学的な証拠がとてもストロング、サウンドだからもう動かないですよね。もうとてもストロング scientific reason、もう確証がありますよって話です。
で、it's 13.8 138億年前。
そうです。
で、物理学の法則は、ビッグバンが起こったという説明をしている。
Yes.
And the universe is older than the stars. 星より、宇宙は星より、古い。
そうですね。宇宙が先で星って話ですね。
We know how the universe began. 私たちは宇宙がどのように始まったか知っている。でも、未来に何が起こるかはわからない。
素晴らしい。Yes, very good. Okay, so do you think it's better understanding for this passage now? Yes, okay. So we want to double check because I think you've said SST is very difficult, right? So let's just recap, reorganize the flow. Okay, number one, what is the step one for SST?
Look at the picture.
Yes, so always look at the picture. Why? Because you can understand the topic and you can understand the key sentences. And if there's any unknown words, please search and understand. For example, laws of physics. Yeah, you need to understand what is the laws of physics, not the legal law. And number two, what did we do for number two?
Picture and listen
Yes.
to the sentence audio.
Yes, listen to the audio. I think one time will be okay. One time. 1 or 2 times. And also when you listen to the audio, you want to find these key sentences, okay? Yeah, so you want to listen, this is the one. This is the 13.8 billion years old. The laws of physics. You want to listen to those keywords. Okay, And then what did we do after that?
After that, look the answer, read the
Sample.
answer, sample
Yes.
answer.
Answer. And read aloud. Read aloud.
Mm.
Yes. So this is your RA practice.
Read aloud the sample.
Especially when you are read aloud, like what we've done this time, you always have to stop at certain place. Okay, so the stop at the accurate place. With a flow, so you have to have the rhythm. And lastly, what shall we do next?
The sample answer and repeat, listen to the audio and write down sentence.
Yes. Okay. Sorry. Rhythm. Yes, this is the rhythm. With a rhythm. Yes, with a rhythm. And then you check the script and listen. But remember, when you are listening, don't focus on too much difficult words. Just try to remember this part again. Remember the keywords and sentences. Okay. So always the key is this part, is the keyword and key sentences. And lastly, write down the sample answer. Oh, sorry. Retail lecture and sample answer. Yeah. I will send this one to you later. So always try to follow this flow. Now let's listen to this one more time and check some details. Okay. Especially focus on the blue part.
One of the most amazing things that's happened, even in my lifetime, is the prediction of cosmology. When I started out 40 odd years ago, we thought we knew that the universe began with a Big Bang. Some people doubted even then. We thought the universe was about 10 or 20 billion years old. But now, for really very sound scientific reasons, we can say that the universe did start with a Big Bang, and it's 13.8 billion years old. So it's not 14, it's not 13, because a decimal point in there. And that's a stunning achievement to know that. And we also know that the laws of physics that apply to tiny particles inside atoms also explain what happened with the Big Bang. You can't have one without the other. A very neat example of this is that when you apply nuclear physics, that kind of physics to understand how stars works, you find out that the oldest stars in the universe are about 13 billion years old. So the universe is just a little bit older than the stars. Fantastic. Even if we had done it and counted in the other way around and said that the stars were older than the universe, we would say silence we're in deep trouble. But it's not. Everything fits together, and we know how the universe began. We got to know how the way it is. The future, that I'll suspect, we don't know quite well what's going. But we get some idea, which are as good as those ideas we had 40 years ago about how the Big Bang happened.
Big Bang happened.
Very good. Let's check some details. First one is particle. This one we've done this with DI. Do you remember for DI? So particle is solution. ですね。物質の一番小さい単位が particle というふうに言われます。で、いっぱいこういうのがあるんですけど、これ科学のやつで、まあ、物理学もそうなんですけど、この2つだけ覚えてください。What is this one?
Atom.
Very good, yeah, atom. And this one is molecule.
Molecule.
原子と分子ですね。Okay. Repeat after me. Particle.
Particle.
Yeah. This is the smallest. And then we have atom. Atom.
Atom.
Yes. For example, oxygen of atom.
Oxygen atom.
Or hydrogen atom.
Hydrogen atom.
All right. And then we have the molecule.
Molecule.
Water molecule. Water molecule. So for these words, you just need to remember the meaning and the pronunciation. It's usually with the eye and the listening. Okay. Yes, so this is the same. Right. And do you have any questions for this one? Questions? All good? Okay, cool. Now let's do this one with the I will give you some time to practice, take some more notes of the keywords, and then let's do the retail lecture one more time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Yes.
Okay, great. And now let's do the retail lecture. Be careful with the timing. Ready? Start.
The lecture talk about the universe prediction of cosmology. According to the lecture, it is known that the universe did start with a Big Bang. The speaker mentioned many details, including it's 13.8 billion years old, and it is also known that the laws of physics also explain what happened in the Big Bang. In addition, the speaker mentioned about we know how the universe began. Hi.
It's okay. Actually, if you check the time is almost running out, you can finish. You don't need to speak everything. So always check your timing. Okay. So we want to be like the real test. So this time, please don't look at the screen. Okay. Don't look at the screen. When you look, just look at the timing part. So have a look. Have you taken notes? You have your own notes, right? Yeah, you have your own notes. So use your own notes and your own memory of the template and just check the timing. Okay. Yeah. All right. So focus on your own notes. One more time. Ready? Start.
The lecture talk about the prediction of cosmology. According to the lecture, it is known that there are very sound scientific reasons. The speaker mentioned many details, including that universities started with a Big Bang. It is also known that the laws of physics also explain what happened in the Big Bang. In addition, the speaker mentioned about we know how the university began. In conclusion, this lecture is very useful.
Yes, very good, very good. Yeah. Very good timing.
Began.
Yeah, I think your retail lecture is getting better and better. Yeah, retail lecture and RA are getting a lot better. Cool. But be careful with your spelling. Yeah. All right. So do you think, do you agree with this? Can you imagine that the universe starts with the Big Bang? Yes. And the opposite theory. So this is the Big Bang theory, right? The Big Bang theory. And what is the opposite one is called the evolutionary theory. What is this one in Japanese?
革命。
Nope, that's revolution. We've done this many
進
times.
化論。
Yes. What is Shinkalong about? Just very simple way.
I don't know.
Have you heard about this one? Just roughly, just very simple way. What becomes evolve? Evolve 進化していくわけだから変わっていくわけですよね。何が変わっていくんですかね。For example, how did human become human?
猿から。
Yes. So this is very different. Two of these, they are fighting actually. These are not the same. They go against each other. Do you think monkey can become human? Do you think your fathers, millions fathers were monkey? No, yes, that's actually very true. So that's actually right now, I think the scientific scientists, they more and more understand the Big Bang theory. Yeah. And because I am a Christian, have you read about the Bible? Do you know what is a Bible? Yes. So the Bible, if you read the Bible, the first page talks about the Big Bang theory. The first page of the Bible. It says, beginning of the universe, God created the universe. Yes. So, and then God created the earth, like, and the sun and the moon. In the end, God created human. Yes. And how did so we have the first male, first female, Adam and Eve, and then they have babies. Yeah. And God created female chicken and male chicken, and they have eggs. Okay. So if you don't know about God, we cannot explain how this universe began and how our life began. Because you always ask, chicken first or egg first? Egg first or chicken first, right? But actually, the Bible tells us God was first. God created the Big Bang.
うんうん
By the Big Bang, the universe started.
うんうん
And then God created a lot of other stars and also our Earth.
うん
So human is not monkey. We are not animals. We are not. That's yeah. So please don't get confused with evolutionary theory. It's a big, big wrong. Big, big wrong. Yeah. And because human, we have spirit. Do you know what is spirit? Yes, we have spirit inside. So that's why we can communicate and we can use language and we can use technology. Yes. Just like how God created this beautiful world and everything, we can create a lot of beautiful things. Yeah. So human and animal are completely different. Yes. Okay, very good. Any questions so far for this one?
No.
Oh, good. All right, cool. So now let's quickly do another question. Give me a second. Let's do an easy one. This one.
Oh,
Well, a historical linguist compares a language.
Have you seen this one before? Have you done this one before?
no, no.
Oh, okay. Let's check out the vocabularies first. What is this one?
Historical English,
Linguists.
linguist.
What is linguists?
I don't know.
Linguist. Okay. Let's think about from this part. Okay. Historical linguists, they are looking for
Basic vocabulary.
yes. Oh, basic vocabulary. Okay. And for example, we have Greek here
Greek.
and Roman. Yeah. What is Greek and what is Roman?
ギリシャとローマ。
の言葉ですね。とか人ですね。言葉とか人。And we have some words, for example.
Sky,
Uh-huh.
mother, father,
Uh-huh.
water, earth, air, nose, head, eye.
Yes. So these words are
Universal.
what is universal?
世界。みんなが使う言葉。
Yes, yes, yes. 共通のところですね。Very good. Okay. And correspond.
correspond.
Yes. What is correspond?
correspond. 核となる反応。respond.
Yes, it's like they can communicate with each other, right? Okay. It means like actually same, like 一致するとかです。And this one?
comparable.
Comparable. Yes. Comparable is compare. What is compare?
比較する。
Yes. So they can compare and they can be the same. So this is talking about what is linguist? Can you have a guess?
語学。
Yes, yes. 言語学者。
言語学者。
Yeah, the ist is like scientist, right? Scientist is the person, so linguist is the person as well. Linguistic is 言語学の。So it's related to language. All right. So now we are going to listen to the audio. And please try to find these words, okay? And take some notes.
Which is at several. Well, a historical linguist compares languages at several levels. You start out looking for basic vocabulary. All languages of the world, natural languages at least, have words for eye and head and nose and ear, and for sky and earth, and for water, sand, and for sibling, mother and father. They may not have words for uncle and aunt. It becomes much vaguer because in one culture an aunt is different when it comes from your father's side than from your mother's side. You don't include snow. Most people know what snow is, but in the tropics you don't have it. So you look for notions that are totally comparable and that occur everywhere in the world. You take the 100 or 200 most universal notions in a human life. That is what you call a basic vocabulary. So you take basic vocabularies in languages that you think are related. You look for words that sound the same.
Okay, let's listen one more time.
Yes.
Well, a historical linguist compares languages at several levels. You start out looking for basic vocabulary. All languages of the world, natural languages at least, have words for eye and head and nose and ear, and for sky and earth, and for water, sand, and for sibling, mother and father. They may not have words for uncle and aunt. It becomes much vaguer because in one culture an aunt is different when it comes from your father's side than from your mother's side. You don't include snow. Most people know what snow is, but in the tropics you don't have it. So you look for notions that are totally comparable and that occur everywhere in the world. You take the 100 or 200 most universal notions in a human life. That is what you call a basic vocabulary. So you take basic vocabularies in languages that you think are related. You look for words that sound the same.
Okay, please take a photo and send it to me. Okay, very good. And use this one. I think probably the second one is better. Oh, yeah, the second one. Let's try RL, retail lecture, okay? Ready, start.
The lecture is about linguistics, and according to the lecture, it is known that linguistics several levels at least. The speaker mentioned many details include no sky, mother, and further siblings, and it is also known that becomes a culture you don't include no comparison. In addition, the speaker mentioned about the basic vocabulary related sound 100 to 200 motion. In conclusion, this lecture is very useful.
Very good, yes. So I think you understood most of the parts. Let's double check the final sample answer. Okay, please read this part as RA, okay, with rhythm. And I will give you ready, start. I will give you 40 seconds, okay? So read it as RA.
The basic vocabulary can be described as notions that are comparable and that occur everywhere in the world. For instance, all languages of the world have words for body organ appreciation and the nouns, while it becomes bigger because one word may present different meaning in different culture. Therefore, you take basic vocabularies and language that you think are related and look for words that sound the same.
Very good. Yes, very good. Okay. So please remember some keywords. This one, what is a notion?
気づく
Nope. Notice is 気づく。
あ、
Notion is the noun,
な、
名詞, and it means idea or concepts. And sometimes just like words. Yeah. But normally it's about idea or concepts. So the concept that are comparable, what is comparable again?
比較する。
Yes, yes. Very good. So that's that's the basic idea of this this one. Okay, cool. Any questions for this topic?
Therefore, you take basic vocabularies and language that you think are related and look for words that sounds the same. What is organ?
Organ, body organ. Organ means like eye or nose or mouth or your heart. 器官ですね。体の器官。
そうか。Appellation. Appellation.
比較、同等の
Appellation. So it is difficult to understand, so I don't know a lot of words.
It's okay. Because as SST, you will start to remember. Because you need to write down and keep writing, keep reading, and your vocabulary, your basic vocabularies will increase. Okay. Yeah. All right. Very good so far. But actually, regarding this is all for our lesson so far. But next time we're going to focus on the changes of PTE because recently the score has been changed. で、それについてちょっと話したいことがありまして、というのは、前は PTE65 でいけたんですよね、すべてが。
72ぐらいになってなかったですか？
スピーキングと、ライティングが71と79になっちゃったんですよね。ってことは結構難しいんですよ。で、逆に他の2つは61とか62ぐらいになったんですけど、でもこの2つを取るのがやっぱり皆さん結構苦労するんですよね。なので、ちょっといろいろとなんか他に違うやり方がないか、今ちょっといろいろ考えていて、例えば、愛子さんは学士資格をお持ちですか、日本で。
学士って何ですか？
学士は、大学4年大学4年か。大学
は行ってます。
大学4年ですよね。4年生大学ですよね。学士資格です。そしたら学士資格です。で、院生とかでは、院は別に必要ないです。で、学士資格の場合は、ある場合はマスターが取れるんですね、ニュージーランドで。で、マスターの場合、例えばマスター・オブ・エデュケーションとかね、 で、ニュージーランドではマスター・オブ・エデュケーションとマスター・オブ・ティーチング2つのタイプがあって、で、このマスター・オブ・ティーチングは、まあ私たちが一般的にライセンスが取れるやつ。で、これは同じです。この場合はこれと一緒です。
うん。
この場合は。ただ、ちょっともうちょっと現場じゃなくて、ちょっとアカデミック、ちょっと研究系、例えば、教育人ってちょっとマスターとか、マスターとか、あとは、博士的な、まあちょっと研究したい、研究型のやつは、このエデュケーションというやつもあります。この研究型の場合は、IELTS とかだと6.0で、
うん。
全部が6点以上、6以上。もしくは PT の場合、58
うん。
で、各分野が51、50以上なんですね。で、以前は多分愛子さんはこちらに来てレベル5、なんか5級の資格を取りたいっておっしゃってたと思うんですけど、多分、同じぐらいの値段な感じで、時間的にも若干同じぐらいの長さなので、こちらがもし取れたら、これの代わりに使えるんですね。うん。なので、レベル5とかよりも、こちらの方がいい気がします。もしいけるのであれば、ちょっとここを狙ってほしいです。
うん。
うん。で、これの入学には、PTE と IELTS 以外にももう一つ、その NZCEL というコースがあって、これは16週間のコースです。この16週間で、4つの分野について、アカデミックな書き方、論文の書き方とかですね。まあ、私たちもWE でやったように、こういうふうにエッセイを書くんですよとか、プレゼンテーションはこういうふうにするんですよとか、っていうふうにやっていく、内容なので、こちらはどちらかというと、ちょっとアテンデンス、出勤しながら、アサイメントを16週間でこなしていって、最終的にはちょっとサティフィケートが取れて、はい。これを持って、マスターの方に入学するっていう形が取れます。なので、この3つの選択肢が、まあ、入学のやり方としてはあります。うん、もちろん一番いいのは多分今マスターとかPT とか取れたらもうそのままマスターとかも入れるし、でマスターが終われば日本でのそのライセンスと一緒にこれが英語力のその証明になるので一緒にティーチングキャンセルに提出してライセンスを取るっていう形にもなります。うん、でプラスこのマスターを取るいい点としては卒業してから3年間ワークビザいただきます。ワークビザ。で、このワークビザはオープンなワークビザなんで、どこでも働きます。うん、特になので多分レベル5よりは、と比べたら全然こっちの方がおすすめはします。レベル5だと今あんまりビザとかは取れないので、結構難しいです。その後、卒業し、勉強しても、まあ、あんまり意味ないし、勉強した後もあんまりプラスにならないの感じはします。レベル5だと。なので、もし、こちらに、来年、こちらに4月に来たいという話だったと思うんですけど、もしそれまでに PT の点数、これが取れていたら、もうそのまま NZCL に入れます。じゃあ、これが取れてたら、マスターに入れますね。で、これがまだちょっと若干足りてなくて、取れてない場合は、まあ、語学学校に通って、引き続き IELTS とか PT の勉強をするか、もしここの入学の試験に達していれば、そのままちょっと NZCL というコースも入れます。取れます。はい。なので、私的には、個人的にはこちらをお勧めしたいと思ってます。はい。何か質問ありますか、これに関して。
PT がめっちゃ難しくなったんやなって。
そうなんですよね。もう、 ただで65歳難しいのになんでまた上げるんだって感じですけど。はい。なので、ちょっといろいろと抜け道を今、私は必死に皆さんのために探しているところです。
でも私はとりあえず語学学校に行って、語学留学的な感じで
はいはい。
行って、ボ
うんうん
ランティア先みたいな感じで、そっちの保育
うん
所に行きたいなって思ってて。
うんうんうんうんうん
で、なんかそれプラスで勉強しながらスコア上げれて、
うんうん
免許を切り替えできたらいいなっていう。
うんうんうんうんうんうん。そうですね、そうですね。うん、
うん。
大丈夫です。まあ、その場合は、こちらですね。一旦は語学留学で来て、まあ、ここで、PT と IELTS の勉強をし続けるってことですね。うん。はい、大丈夫だと思います。わかりました。でも、まあ、こういう方法もあるということだけ、はい、頭に入れていただければ、今後下の時に、
英語さえできたら全部いけるなって。
ね、
英語さえできたら何でもできるんやなっていう。
そうです、そうです、
まず
そうです。
基礎を作っとかないと、どっかの学校行ったとしても、英語がちゃんと分かってなかったら何もできないんで、
そうですね、そうですね。うん。
そう思うと埋めたいなって思って。
はい、わかりました。なので、英語頑張りましょう。